Considering a used vehicle, here are 7 reasons why Toyota certified used vehicles from Regency Toyota should be your top choice. Toyota vehicles are known for their quality and reliability. Plus, they consistently win Canadian Black Book and Automotive Lease Guide awards for maintaining long-term value. Every certified Toyota undergoes a 160-point meticulous inspection by our factory-trained technicians, guaranteeing that it meets the highest standards. Our Toyota factory-trained technicians perform extensive mechanical and appearance reconditioning, making sure that your vehicle feels and looks brand new. Toyota certified used vehicles come with a CARFAX Canada report, so you'll know your car's history before you even buy. Every Toyota certified used vehicle from Regency Toyota includes a complimentary first oil and filter change, so you start your journey with your car smoothly. Get exclusive financing rates through Toyota's financial services, making it easier and affordable for you to drive the Toyota you love. Discover all the perks of a Toyota certified used vehicle here at Regency Toyota at 401 Kingsway, or you can visit us at www.regencytoyota.com.